Hey everyone, today we're back with another Prism video. Today we'll be going over consumer arithmetic, a compulsory topic in your paper 2 math exam for CSEC, right? And today we'll be going through profit and loss and discount exactly, right? So with regards to the syllabus, which can be found in the CXC website, with regards to consumer arithmetic exactly with profit and loss and discount, right? You will need to know how to calculate discount, profit, loss, and sales tax, which we'll be doing in another video, right? Also, you will need to calculate profit percentage and percentage loss, express a profit, loss, discount, markup, and purchase tax as a percentage of some value. We'll be doing all that with the exception of purchase tax. So be in another video. You'll also be needing to solve problems involving marked price, selling price, cost price, profit loss, or discount. So let's get into some basic definitions. The profit is defined as the financial gain calculated as the difference between the amount earned and the amount spent in buying. Profit percentage, right? This is defined as the net earnings generated by a business. So net earnings expressed as a percentage. Loss is an amount of money lost by a business or organization. You can also express this loss as a loss percentage, which is a net loss of money lost by a business as expressed by a percentage. Discount is an offer valid for products in a store. These products are sold for a price lower than the original selling price. Now, of course, we need to learn some essential formulae with regards to profit, percentage, loss, discount price, and of course, discount percentage and loss percentage. Profits is equal to the selling price minus the cost price. So the cost price is the original price in which you bought or an object or a product was bought at a store. And the selling price is the price which is the new price of the product, meaning the price which is now sold for. We can also use this now, the profit, and calculate a profit percentage by dividing the profit by the cost price and multiplying it by 100%. A similar pattern falls with the loss as well. Loss is found by taking the cost price and subtracting it from the, it's found by subtracting the cost price from the selling price, right? So the loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. The loss percentage is equal to the loss, which is this here, which is the cost price minus selling price over the cost price, right? Multiplied by 100%. So when we find the loss, we then take the cost price and put it as the denominator and put the loss as the numerator and multiply by 100%. The discounted price, on the other hand, is the selling price minus the discounted price, right? Now, a discount is an offer valid for products in a store, right? This is an offer valid for products in a store. What this means is that a store would decide to sell a product lower than the original selling price. This may be due to numerous circumstances. Maybe the store wants to have a general sale, they want to get rid of a product fast, they want to make way for new products, they have an incoming shipment of products and need space. Many reasons a store might offer a discount. Even a reason can be a product isn't selling and they want maybe a reduced price will gather people to come and buy it, right? So the discounted percentage is the discounted price all over the original price times 100%, right? So let's get to some questions. So question: Rick's Golden Jewelry Store sells wedding rings at a cost of 150,000 Jamaican dollars. Customer walks in and buys a ring for 140,000 Jamaican dollars. Calculate the discount offered by the store to the customer as a percentage of the original price. Right? Right. So we know the original price is $150,000, right? The original price, meaning the price of the wedding ring before it was put on some form of sale, or the discount price, the discount sale, right? This was the original price. And the 140,000 is the new price, right? So we want to find the discount offered by the store. So to find the discount, right, this will be the original price minus the new price. Right? So this would imply, just substituting in the formula, discount is equal to 150,000 minus $140,000, which is equal to, don't forget the signs, which is equal to $10,000, right? But they said a calculated discount offered by the store to the customer as a percentage of the original price, meaning they want the discount percent. Now, to find the discount percent, it's pretty simple. We take the discounted offer, well, the discount, which is $10,000, and we divide it by the original price, which is $150,000, and we multiply it by 100%, right? Which will be 6.67%, right? Now to go over this again one more time. Rick's Gold and Jewelry Store sells wedding rings at a cost of 150,000 Jamaican dollars, right? Which is the original price. And a customer walks in and buys the ring for $140,000, which is the new selling price, right? And they said calculate the discount offered by the store to the customer as a percentage of the original price. So they want discount percent. So now we first, in order to find the discount percent, we have to first find discounts, because the formula for the discount percent is the discounted price over the original price, right? So it will be, so we first find the discount by taking the original price and we subtract the new price from this and we get $10,000, right? And then we take that amount and we plug it into the formula with the discount over the original price times 100%. Just fix this here. Right. To make things better. And then we found 6.67. So the answer for this will be 6.67%, right? So that's the answer for part A. We find the discount first, and then we put the discount over the original price the store offered first, and then multiply it by 100%. And that's where we get 6.67%. Now moving on to part 2, question 2. The question in this particular instance is asking about profit and profit percentage as well as loss and loss percentage. So the question is, Harry decides to open a sports shop in San Fernando, Trinidad. He goes to a warehouse center and buys 40 balls, cricket balls at a cost of $20 each. This will mean one ball is equal to $20. And then he decides at his shop to sell the balls at $25 each, right? So reading that one more time. Harry decides to open a sports shop in San Fernando, Trinidad, and he goes to a warehouse center and buys 40 cricket balls at a cost of $20 each. He decides at his shop to sell the balls at $25 each. Right? So one ball is $20, right? So this is the cost of one ball. And they said the store, he buys 40 balls at the store for $20 each. So therefore 40 balls is equal to 40 times the cost of one ball, which will give you the cost of 40 balls, right? So therefore 40 balls is equal to $800 at warehouse center. So now we also have to remember, Harry decides at his shop to sell the balls for $25 each. So we know one ball at Harry's store, we know in his store, one ball is $25. He's selling it more to make a profit. And of course, he uses the same amount, 40 balls that he purchased prior, and the cost, what he makes from this, the 40 balls will be 40 multiplied by the cost of one ball, which will be $1,000, right? So now we can instantly see he has made a profit from 800 to 1,000. So therefore, the first question is, what will be his profit and his percentage profit? Well, we know instantly, he bought the balls for $800 and sold it for $1,000. So therefore, the profit using the formula given here is equal to the selling price minus the cost price. So the selling price, which is the price he sold it for, the 40 balls, which was $1,000, minus the cost price, which was the original price he bought the balls for, which will be $800. And in this case, it will be $200. I keep writing an extra zero. Sorry. $200 profit, right? $200 profit. What this means simply is that he bought a set of balls in the warehouse, right? In the warehouse center for $800. And then he sells it for after $1,000. Picture this, you bought 40 balls, or you buy a set of balls to make it easier for $800, and then you decide to go to your friend and sell that same set of balls for $1,000. In this case, you will be making a profit because you will be gaining $200, right? We can now use this $200 profit, right, and find the profit percentage, or the percentage profit. So changing the marker now, percentage profit. Right, I like these colors here. So going back to the blue, let's make life easier. We know the percentage profit formula is profit over the cost price, meaning the profit you made over the original price which you got it for, multiplied by 100%, right? So what this means, the profit percentage is equal to the profit over the price you got it for originally, which was $800, right? Multiplied by 100 over 1, which is 25%, right? %. So this will be 25% profit, right? Again, what you're doing is that you're taking the cost price, you're taking the profit over the cost price and multiplying it by 100%. Again, you're taking the profit made, which is $200, and you're putting it over the cost price, which is $800, which is the price you bought it for originally, and you're multiplying it by 100. And in this case, you'll get 25%, and for the profit, you will get $200, right? And moving on to B now. Right? So B has to do with loss percentage, right? Right. So let's see how this will work out now. So due to some unforeseen circumstances of not receiving the desired results on the cricket balls, Harry decided to reduce the price on the cricket balls during a sale the sports shop had. Recall earlier the cost of 40 balls. We know 40 balls costed earlier. We know the cost of 40 balls was $800, right? $800 was the cost on 40 balls, right? And they said here, Harry decided to reduce the price on the cricket balls during a sale the sports shop had. If Harry decided to sell the balls at $18 per ball, so now he's saying, okay, instead of one ball for $25, let me reduce it and say one ball is equal to $18, right? What will be his loss percentage? Right. So we know one ball is $18. So therefore, 40 balls is equal to 40 multiplied by $18 per ball. Per ball. So this will be 40 multiplied by 18, which is $720. Right? Right. So this is a new price for the balls, total, all 40 balls, $720, right? And well, we can see now that this definitely was a loss. He paid $800 for it and sold all for $720. We can instantly see that there was a loss. So now what will be the loss? Loss. The loss, going back to the formula, loss is equal to the cost price, which is the original price, minus the selling price, which was the new price he sold it for. So this will be the cost price, which is the original price, which is 800 take away the selling price, which is the price he sold it for, which is 720. So this will be $80 loss. But can't stop here. The question asks for a loss percentage, right? A loss percentage. So now what we do, we simply just plug in what we have into or substitute it into the formula. Loss percentage is equal to lost over the cost price multiplied by 100%. What this simply means is that we take the loss at which we found, which was $80, and we put it over the cost price and multiply by 100%. So we know the loss was $80, and the cost price, which was the price he bought the balls for, was $800, right? So this will be 80 over 800 multiplied by 100%, right? I wrote this again like this. Sorry about that. Okay, what happened here? Right? Okay. Yeah, that should be it. And we put in this as a percentage, right? And so this will be equal to 10%. You got that? So we're going to go over that again. 10% loss. So that means loss, let me write that in a different color, right? So that means the loss percentage is equal to 10%, right? So let's go over that one more time. This question once again is asking for the loss percentage. He originally sold the 40 balls for $800, and now he decides to sell one ball for $18. And originally we know there were 40 cricket balls, so that will be the new price will be the selling price, that is $720, right? And we know for sure he got a loss because it was originally 800 and now 720. So therefore the loss will be the original, well, the cost price minus the selling price, which is $80 loss. And so we can write this as a percentage with the loss over the cost price multiplied by 100%, which will be a 10% loss, which we have here, right? One more thing to note. We can also interchange these formulas. So if we want to find, let's say, the selling price, once we carry it over, the selling price is equal to the cost price minus the profit, right? We can interchange the formulas because sometimes we may be given the cost price and profit, and it will ask us to find the selling price, and we can interchange the formulas to find the selling price. This can also occur here. We can interchange it to find even the cost price and interchange it to find any of these values once given two variables. Also note, the selling price can also be written as SP, cost price can be written as CP, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So guys, that's it for ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today's lesson on consumer arithmetic, profit, loss, and discount, right? So for the next video, we'll focus on mortgages and hire purchase, and we'll also go on to sales tax and what is sales tax exactly, right? Don't worry about past paper questions soon, right? That will be in an upcoming video soon, right? That is in a video to come soon. Now, with regards to Prism Caribbean, this is the format in which at least the early videos for maths will take place until we get better at this. So for now, thank you very much. This is Prism Caribbean, and this is your tutor, Jordan Jaffa. Thank you.